Many feet, one rhythm, a historic Bharatnatyam ensemble, where culture met coordination, where tradition took center stage and hundreds danced as one. In a vibrant celebration of Indian classical dance and cultural unity, a record setting event was organized featuring the maximum number of students from a single institution performing Bharatnatyam in different groups. This remarkable showcase of tradition, discipline, and synchronized artistry brought together hundreds of young dancers, all trained under the same academic banner. Bhavani's Grand Palace, Hosur, witnessed this amazing event where 665 students of Padma Shri Kala Mandir, Hosur, Tamil Nadu performed the Bharatnatyam dance in different groups on the event Guru Vandanam as a part of their 17th annual celebration held during the Navaratri festival. This event was held from October 10, 2024 to October 12, 2024 under the supervision of Guru Shri S. Krishnan, Director Padma Shri Kala Mandir. Divided into well-coordinated groups, the students performed beautifully, demonstrating amazing choreography, showcasing the diversity within the traditional dance form while maintaining the technical rigor and grace that Bharatnatyam is known for. What made the event especially noteworthy was the sheer scale of participation, combined with the precision and discipline maintained across all groups. An initiative not only promoting Indian heritage but also reinforcing the value of teamwork, dedication, and cultural pride among students, standing as a testament to the institution's commitment to nurturing the arts and creating platforms for young performers to shine collectively on a large stage. Now let's connect with Guru Shri Krishnan himself, along with Guru Shrimati Anjana S. Babu, Kumari Muba Shiva Shambhavi, and Kumari P. Harshita, and know more about this amazing feat. 665 students, the number is quite a big number. So, how did you plan the whole thing? How did you divide them into groups? And please tell me something about that.
It's not easy.
So we planned in such a way where the program was conducted for 3 continuous days, and we planned for 3 slots per day. So with that we got 9 slots, and we divided in such a way the students, like in each slot from the junior most student till the senior most the level who is learning, till then they will be accommodated. So if you see, each slot will have the junior most till the senior most student who is learning with us, and thus it would be the an extravaganza to experience that visual treat. So in that way we organized.
And for how long would you practice every day?
It was planned in such a way where we made them to practice during our class hours. So we took time for more than 4 months. So nearly we gave them practice for 4 months during their class hours itself, and then we made them to perform the same during the event.
Okay. So what were the other challenges you people faced for this?
Coordination.
So we face challenges when we were behind students to follow up them during the events, and so we were having different groups who were coming in different slots. So following them was the biggest challenge as tutors.
Okay.
And we have to make them ready for the performance, no? We have to see whether they are dressed properly, the costumes, jewelry, and makeup, and other backstage things are there. And organizing that and coordinating with the people. And as you said, 600 plus students coming in different slots as groups. We have to follow all the people and coordinate so well behind, so that the event is going in a smooth way. So that way we had challenges in bringing them in under one roof and making sure that they are getting ready on time and bringing them on stage, making them perform well. And as Madam said, we had put in efforts for the 4 months time in preparing them, and weekly they will come twice a week for practice and all. Those were the challenges that we faced, and we have to make them come in a particular schedule, and they have to follow the schedule.
This achievement will be remembered not just for its numbers, but for the spirit of unity and artistic excellence it reflected, turning an institutional stage into a national celebration of dance. We extend our best wishes to Padma Shri Kala Mandir for displaying mesmerizing grace in numbers, a magnificent unity in every step. Well done, Padma Shri Kala Mandir. One institution, countless expressions, a Bharatnatyam milestone indeed.